The UEFI is very quickly replacing the old BIOS. It does not have a battery. It doesn't lose its memory. It's on flash memory. It has a more graphical user interface than the BIOS does, and in fact you can use a mouse with this, believe it or not. You don't have to use arrow keys and enter key any longer. It also holds a lot more information, and it's just a lot more flexible than the old BIOS system. Partly its flexibility comes from the fact that you don't have to have that battery, and you don't have that non-graphical interface any longer. Quite often the UEFI is called the UEFI BIOS, as you can see here in this picture. However, that's a misnomer. It should not be called the UEFI BIOS. It's simply the UEFI. Now, it's a lot easier to update and program since it's just flash memory. However, flash memory over a period of time can lose its information more easily than the BIOS does. So we're kind of waiting around to see when UEFIs start to go bad. However, as you can see here in this picture, this could be pulled out and replaced with relative ease when it does go bad. But essentially, the UEFI is the same as the BIOS, but much more upgraded. And by the way, the UEFI is very closely associated with the GPT formatting system, and so Windows today does use the UEFI exclusively.